Welcome back. We, and when I say we, I mean all of us, you included, are preparing for Labor Day all week here on Great Day. So this morning we are learning a new recipe to serve for the holiday that is both healthy and tasty. I want you to welcome Heather Creech to the show. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me today.
So what is Profile by Sanford? Because I noticed that on your shirt.
Yeah, so Profile by Sanford is a comprehensive wellness program that we polish and personalize nutrition plans down to your genetics to help you get to a healthier BMI and weight and teach you how to maintain that for life.
Man, I've heard a lot about that stuff because a lot of diets you'll lose weight, but not in a necessarily a healthy way. But if we can tailor it to our own bodies, our diets, we can get effective weight loss, but stay healthy at the same time, which I think is really important.
It really is, and it's really important not to even use the word diet. You know, I say the moment that you feel like you're on a diet at Profile, we're not doing our job. So it's all about making nutritious choices, and we personalize that to you and teach you how to eat for your body type.
Diet feels like a sacrifice, and it shouldn't be.
It shouldn't,
it
absolutely.
Should be just a change.
Yes.
All right, so Labor Day coming up, that often means that we're celebrating with friends and family. What's a healthy recipe that you can make for these gatherings? You don't have a whole lot of ingredients out here.
I don't. We wanted to keep it really simple today.
Yeah.
So, you know, when we gather at Labor Day, we want to keep it super simple and work smart, not hard. And so a simple starch swap that we like to use at, or starch swap, if you will, is cauliflower. Believe it or not, cauliflower is literally contains every vitamin and mineral that you need in your body. It really does. And you know, I think sometimes it's very easy to just simply grab a veggie tray and bounce out. But a lot of our kids and even some adults really like macaroni and cheese. And so this is just a little switch on this. So basically.
Now, what were you telling me before that you had somebody, where did you get this recipe?
So this recipe is actually from a member that hated cauliflower. She absolutely did not like it. So she took it upon herself to make it to where it was more like mac and cheese. So she doesn't have a starch in her plan yet. So this was her idea. Okay. This is my member Mary that we coach. And so, you know, after you take a full head of cauliflower, you're going to break it into little pieces. And again, it's cheaper to do it this way if you buy the full head.
Okay.
You want to break it up into tiny pieces and essentially boil this for 15 to 20 minutes on the stove.
Okay.
With a little bit of salted water.
Can I steam it? Oh,
yes.
Salt water.
You can
salted
do salt water.
You
can microwave it as well. And so once that's done, we're going to pretend that we microwave this.
This is cooked.
This is cooked. TV magic. And then of course we're going to add 3 to 4 ounces or 3 servings of fat, which would be 3 to 4 ounce servings. So she chose pepper jack cheese, which I thought was kind of an interesting take on this.
That'll give it a little kick.
Yeah. So this essentially is going to melt and melt and melt, and then we're going to add a tablespoon of onion powder.
Okay.
And then we have minced garlic. Of course, I like to keep it simple. Use a little bit of minced garlic here. I use
simple.
Very simple.
Yeah.
About a teaspoon. You can actually go a little bit crazy on garlic if you enjoy it. Great antioxidant. Lightly salted, pepper to taste, and at the end, that's it. And
this is the finished product.
This is the finished product.
And this turned somebody who didn't like cauliflower into a cauliflower lover.
Absolutely. In fact, when she made this, it was supposed to be portioned out for the week, and she ended up eating all of it, which was amazing. I was like, oh my gosh, Mary, I hope you don't mind.
But you got to balance it.
Yes, you do. We have to certainly balance that out. So nutritiously
it's camouflage on our tabletop here, but it really is beautiful, and it smells great.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Heather, we are going to post this segment on our website, KMOB.com/greatday. That will be following the show. Easy peasy, right?
Totally want to try it.
Yes,
I bet the kids would get sucked in.
As soon as she took it out.
I did. Smelled like mac and cheese is what it smelled like to me. Thank you guys very much. All right, we're going to move on to the topic